Whakamalo a taipe kia motor koe na mulava mai. Mo po I talawo au pito I he ahoni. Mo po I whafo o au pito. Hangi koe lau E hiwa hot in the city.
Ia o koe tau Katoanga.
Kata ki atape, kau whakafe koe mo kei tu koe E tua ki atape tau sea koe ni.
Katoanga I Fiefiia, Hokosia, Olive, Manilala Vallabh, a hono tau pitung Folau I he ahoni. Nenai foki na
Pea koe whamanato te
kamatakia ai misa me he whairatu atonia patua, Frederica. Hano tau bagi I ahono. Me whatahai pea pea mo tāpaki I Hokosia pea tau whangafu tupu e na maari pea mo sefo Manilala.
Koe whamanato te heni, mo tōkana singa mātua.
Ka koe tawa o mai ni te konga honoua. Aia ko hono Fiefiia ai pefte a Olive. Taimi niu ke I whakanwhono fo pefoki e ka au whakafe. Pea alpeke mapune u te pire ka u kitoi ai pe mo e te niti I whakatua a tāpe.
Whamalo a te pe mo tōkana mo lava mai. Te whamanato atu te, koe whamanato te manatu I te niti koe e toa. Lava kakato pe polokalama koe ia o E Fiefini a tā rewa ho whanau ke te niti koe e toa. Lahi au pito ngai me atoko ni ai. Ka koe whamanato pe enu kei a tā pe tau ngai sea koe ni.
He koe keke na pe hoki ngahi mea opa. Pe hoki e whakatana kia nani e nenai kia me pe nani koe tau MC kia honi ko anolo mano. Tau mahalau tau kei taritari kia. Peke he koe ni ko tuuta mai ai whawharangi ko Princess Sinaitakala.
Mo kātaki, paspasi I mai koe tahine whawawhi whalangi ene nebe a mai, tahine Princess Kalauni, Princess Sinaitakala, nebe a heni, whataha pea mo e Kina au tōru ko toa pe koe kau whakawhi. Whakamalo atu.
Kait koe te pilena u kia Katarina pe mo kia maka. Iwet pe ho kia kiane. O sea, que voi te bakaiti kau kafe. Gina Amelia Binhati Iwa Hokia Ohena Halaevalu Okina Utolo Bafi.
For some time now, that things just ain't been right. Because when we try to talk, we both get so uptight. But now you told the truth, and I know where I stand. Though it hurts deep inside, give me time, I'll get by. So say you stay until tomorrow. I can't face tonight alone. Though I know it's over and we're through, say you'll stay until tomorrow. I need you. Though I know it's over and we're through, say you'll stay until tomorrow. I need you.
On a warm summer's eve, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns staring out the window at the darkness. The boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, "Son, I made my life out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and we drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light, and the night got deathly quiet. His face lost all expression. Said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done." Now every gambler knows the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best you can hope for is to die in your sleep. So when he'd finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out his cigarette, faded off to sleep. Then somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even. But in his final words I found an ace that I could keep. You got to know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run.
Malo Albito, Famalo at Modol ko na mula pa mai. Koe teni ti koe tuak malu pe neong ne uha. Mo hao pe mo malu te yai pe mo Katoanga koe pa fei. Pe a koe kole pe ni ke kau whakaafe ka pau ke ongo i kua afu mai uha. Ka taki pe mea hene ho e ki tau whakauha i lewa. Koe a koe whamanato atu e ka te motol koe kau whakaafe koe ni loto ni.
Mike he tai mini hula tonga toa
Tau
uhala
whakauha
hi
i
apito.
lewa. Me aho eiki o te moto e unu.
Au kulau bihe family ko e
Ai te ke
tāpua
ngari
ki.
katoanga.
Pea mo e whakakoloa. Waironga e kia e aho. Hokosia e tau fitu ngofulu o Olive Manilala Vallabh.
Paula. O te unu Paula.
You're my world, you're every breath I take. You're my world, you're every move I make. Other eyes see the stars up in the sky, but for me they shine within your eyes as the trees reach for the sun above. So my arms reach out to you for love.
Kay hoko te ho mo inu. Ata pe ho mo inu ke mo ma lele pe.
Resting in mine, I feel a power so divine. You're my world, you're my life. You're my
Koia.
every prayer I pray.
Eke he koko kai bola watu ai tahi ni whai aho piloto. Olive kai kamata ai Katoanga.
That is the end of my world for me.
Tapu mo e o tua au awhio tau lotonga. Whakatapu atu tahine Sinaitakala, ka koe Princesi Kalauni o Tonga, ka e umaafoki a tahine Fiefiia la paha, Honourable Fiefiia la paha. Koe kamatai ne tau o wau koe ai aho, ka koe o wau whawhita ia, koe Hokosia, ai tau fitungo fulu tau o Olive Manilala. Koe kamatai polo kalama, te u koreangi ki a Jennifer Tuku'aho, ke talitali mai o kahiri e tau lotu kamata, aia te u koreangi ke tangata iki pātele. Whātaloni ke kātaki, whahoko mai tau lotu kamata ko ia o e Fiefiia. Koe tangata iki pātele, tau hipalo ki a nuk alo whātene kamata mai e o wau, Katoanga birthday ko ia Olive Manilala. Malo au pito.
Ke tau lotu i e huafa e tamai, mai alo, mai lau maari e maoni oni. Taha Tongatapu koe tui mafi o he wani mo mamani. O mau punauni i ho ao o hu mo whakawhita ki he Afiona. Afiona ia talu me i mua koe hau kaua. O ko ke Afio i e mau tautu hifo pe mo e mau tuu hake. Ai ngahi mea kua wanga kai e mau whakakau kua ke toka Afio i. Ai rea ku hau me ho mau lo ngutu urini kua ke Afio i ai mea hono kotoa. Tamai Afio o whamai ke te ki mau tolu mo i whakatataha ku mau whakahoko i he fiafi koini. Whakawhita i tamai ke lau maari e lele i pe e tahine princesi Sinaitakala Tuku'aho. Pea mo e whare o haa mo he ofo. O ku mau whakawhita i kotoa pe he aha koeni, o ku mau kaunga whakamooni, ki he mahu inga o e mau whakatataha. Ko e kaunanga whaito nunga, ho mau lalo pe ai Afiona, Olive Manilala. O ne au sia tamai e tau e fitungo fulu malo, ka koe ofa pe ia ai Afiona. Ko mau tala ia i tala whakatohi tapu. Ko fua ho taungu ko tau e whitungo fulu. Pea ka pau e a o valungo fulu ko ofa pe ia ai afiona. Tamai o mau whakawhitai o mau iheni ke mau kaunga whakamaoni. Tau e whango fulu maono ai anniversary o e mari a sosefo pea mo oriwe. Pea whakakoloa ki naua aki hafufu. Koloa tokolahi mo whanau tokolahi. Whakawhitai ki he afiona. Ko kei tāke kina hona ki I whamiri. Tāpua ki mai ki a ori, ki ne mauhangahi aho, ke Fiefiia I ene mo'ui, pia whakawhitai ki he afiona. He aho kotoa pe o ene mo'ui, ko ngahi le rei kotoa pe o ku inasi ai. Whakawhonu hona ki I whamiri, a ki ho kalasia. Tāpua ki mai ka te ki mau tolu hona kotoa ku mau iheni, ke mau kaunga whakamooni, kia oriwe ne au sia e tau e whitungo fulu malo e ofa ai afiona. Koe ofa e ni ai whamiri kua tuku I ho mau hao ngā. Whakatawang ke mau to'o inas me ai, mau ha mau iwi, whakahoko a ko mau ngahi whatongia ke afiona. A pongi a mo saione te mau iai, ke mau whanongoa e wholofola ma oni ai afiona. Petawangi ke tāpua ki ai pea ki mau tolu I e huafa I tamai, moi alo, moi laumari e ma oni. Amen.
Oni mai. Whamaloa tai peke tangata iki pātele, whai lotu kamata ko iau e aho. Ko I whengamari e koe ni tahine prinsesi whawhi whalanglangi, e hoko a tai peki a Jennifer Tupou, I whahoko e lea taritari o e aho, ai a ko e tahine lahi pēni, pe koe o whiwhine lahi pēni o e Olive Ramalal Jennifer Tupou.
Whakawhetai, pea te whakawhetai, he maalali ko amusian, ko ausian. Isa koe uluaki ngu, koe whitungo fulu I tau, koe tāpuaki me he tae hā mai, ke ne whānau, ne nau mo ui talangofua ki ai. Koe mau whakawheta ia, mo e Fiefiia o e ahoni, pea mo oni pe, e hulu e tangata whau sā me, e he aho whakawhiefia peheni, ko sisu pe. Ko te au o ngahi sā me, mo mawava I he Fiefiia ki a Sihova, a ngahi whanua kotoa pe, tauhi a Sihova I he Fiefiia, hau mo e hiva ki hono ao, mo ilo ko Sihova ko ia pe ko otua, ko ia pe na ane ngauhi a ki tau tolu, kana ikai te nau ngauhi a ki tau tolu. Ko hono kakai a ki tau tolu, mo e whangasipi o ene ngowe. Hu I hono ngahi matapa mo e whakawhetai, pea ki hono ngahi loto a mo e whakamalo. Mo whakawhetai ki a te ia pea whakamalo ki hono huafa. He oku angalelei a Sihova, oku ta engata ene alo ofa, pea oku tolonga mauai pe mo ene mo oni me tau tangata ki e tau tangata. Ko e mau whakawhetai ia o e whiawhini. Tapu mo e awhio ai tae hā mai, ko e whakalewelewa o universi, o ku tau ki ei whemata ki ai. Ko e otua o tauhi ki ai a Olive. Tapu mo e prinsesi o e kalauni, prinsesi Sinaitakala Tuku'aho. Tapu mo eiki Frederica whatawhehi o Lapaha. Whakatapu atu whoki ki ha ho eiki, ha taki lotu, ha amatapule, ka inga mo ngahi maheni, kotoa o e Fiefiia ho ona o e ahoni, ko Mrs. Olive Folau Manilala Vallabh. Ko e ahoni, ko e aho pe ia o e whakawhetai. Pea ko e uluaki whakawhetai, ko hono whakahoko atu e mau whakamalo loto hounga mo oni, I ho mou tuku taimi ke tau whakataha mai ki heni o kau ngā whakawhetai mo whakawhiawhiai ai makamaile ko eni ko ausia e mau whae. E he tau e whitungo fulu ko eni, ko whakakoloa a ki ia, e o tua whakataha mo ngahi koloa kehe kehe, oi mo uini, ko hono pole pole a ngā pē, ko e toko hongo fulu mo e nau whānau, ko tāpua ki a ki ia, e o tua. Tuku ke whakafofonga i atu moa ai toko hongo fulu, a Olive, mo hono whangamokopuna e taha fitu, i ha whakamālo, i ho mau fie kau whakataha mai mo ki mau tolu, ke tau kau ngā whakawhetai o e ofa hulu e o tua, ko mau lavenga maalie ai. Today is a special day as we gather to celebrate our mother Olive's significant milestone of turning 70 years old. It brings me immense joy and gratitude to see each and every one of you coming together to celebrate the life of this incredible woman that means so much to all of us. We are extremely humbled that you have made time to be here this evening, and especially to those who have traveled from overseas to join us in celebrating our mother's 70th birthday. On behalf of my siblings, our father, I would like to, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so very much for being here, especially in this weather. I wish to take this time to acknowledge my uncle, Sosefo Folau, and to welcome him and his beautiful wife, Lena, and his children from New Zealand, nieces and nephews from America. Sefo is my mother's twin. He too is celebrating his 70th this day. We thank you, Sefo, and your family for being here this evening. Happy birthday. I also wish to acknowledge the person who single-handedly conceptualized and orchestrated this amazing celebration. She worked tirelessly for a couple of months with her eyes for detail and passion to bring joy to those who are a blessing to her life, such as yourselves. Please put your hand together for the chief party planner of the evening, the birthday girl herself, Olive. We really don't know where she gets her limitless energy from, but I can only guess that it's from her infinite love for her family and her friends. Therefore, I ask, despite the weather, I ask all of you to please sit back, relax, enjoy the food and the drinks, and enjoy the company. Immerse yourself this evening because it will bring great joy to our birthday girl. It was a struggle for us kids, us 10, to try and give any input or to help with this birthday preparation. Olive kept everything to herself and only gave specific instructions to each of us as to what she wanted us to do. I was tasked to say the welcome speech for the evening. I thought I had the better deal of the lot because welcome speeches are generally quite short. But she later emailed me last week. She sent me a messenger on Facebook and gave me instructions on a couple of things that I must mention in my welcoming speech. 2 things. Please put your hands together for our royal princesses. Thank you and welcome. So Oliver wrote to me last week and gave me a couple of things that I must mention in my welcoming speech. Firstly, that in addition to her celebrating her 70th birthday, that this is even more reason to celebrate. This week is the 46th wedding anniversary of my parents, and they renewed their vows today at church. So happy anniversary and happy vows renewal, Mum and Dad. She also instructed me that I speak about her pride and joys. And she tells me that her pride and joys are her grandchildren. And then she said to me, "Pea ka pau o kuno no holea pa ke toku whakakau atu mo tō mātua mo mo tau." I think what she really meant was for me to talk about the 10 children that she's had, her pride and joy. So tonight, I'm going to be compliant and follow instructions. And I must apologize in advance that although this is a welcome speech, this is going to be the longest welcoming speech you'll hear because there's 10 of us and there's 17 grandchildren. So please, Your Royal Highnesses, please bear with me. As most of you know, there are 10 of us. As of today, Sefo and Olive have 17 grandchildren, and I guarantee you, and still counting. At 46 years old, I'm the eldest, married to a handsome Tongoleleka boy, Kisione. Thank you. We live in New Zealand, and we have 4 children. Lipoi, who's 17, Devita Vave, he's 16, Tangoi, who's here with me tonight, she's 15, and Tailepeaua is 10 years old. What can I say about myself? Hufanga whakatapu, neongope hange koe lau, koe kovi mu amai, but I am number 1. And that is all I can say about myself. Most of you would know him as Lala. He is number 2 and the eldest of the boys. Lala is 43 years old. He's married to my beautiful sister-in-law, Kate, also from Tongoleleka. All the good-looking people around. And they are proud parents of my gorgeous nieces, Paige, who's 19, Fiefiia Jr., who's 7, my handsome nephews, Ramesh Jr., who's 17, and young Joseph, who's 6 years old. And despite Lala's dry jokes, Ramanlal is the epitome of a family man. He's the stay in our family, bringing peace and stability. Just like our mother, Lala is a quiet fountain of love and care. The most beautiful and joyous of us all was number 3, our late sister Fiefiia, who left us to be with our Heavenly Father in 2007 at the age of 23. She would have been 40 years old today, this year. We miss her. We miss her fun, kind, and loving heart. And for those of you blessed to have known her, she wouldn't miss a very good party. So I know that she's here with us tonight in spirit. Mrs. Tiara Faletau is number 4 in the family. Tiara is 38 years old, married to her very skillful and wonderful husband, John, and they live with their fantastic kids, Margaret, who's 10, John Jr., who's 8, and Amelia, who's 5 in Sydney, Australia. Tiara is our mother's best friend, and she does everything that our mother says. Or as we say in Tongan, Tiara's strength and resilience reminds me of our mother. I believe Tiara is the strongest of us all, and even though she's a little gangster in her ways, her caring nature makes her an amazing mum and wife she is today, just like mum. Number 5, what can I say? There is always one black sheep in the family, our sister Amelia Masina. She is 37 years old, she holds the biggest and kindest heart of us 10. Like our mother, she gives through caring and hard work. Mia, alongside our brother Lala, has taken on the role of being carer and provider for our parents here in Tonga. She is our father's business acumen. She's not afraid of failure, and she works very hard. She has blessed us all with her beautiful daughter Esther, who is 3 years old. Number 6 is our sister who was named by our Uncle Soane, Rosemary. We call her Rosie. Rosie is 36 years old. And just like Uncle Nane, Rosie is the most gracious and stylish of us all. She goes about doing her own thing, minds her own business, and works quietly in the background. She is a very good negotiator and the most organized in the family, a trait she gets from our mother. Rosie's married to her lovely husband Mosese, and they live in New Zealand with their fabulous children Fa'alangi, who is 5 years old, and young 6-week-old Sosefo Malakai, who are with us here this evening. Number 7 is our brother Soane. He is 35 years old. He is Mr. Fix-It in our family. I'm always amazed at how Soane, who was always quite upfront about how he did not like school, can read mechanical plans and can pull machineries apart and put them back together in full functionality. Soane is rough around the edges, but this guy, his heart is always in the right place. He is the most genuine out of all of us. What you see is what you get with Nane. And just like our mum, he always chooses to find the fun and the positive side in everyone and in everything. Soane is a registered electrician and lives in New Zealand with his fiancée, Jess. Number 8 is Nisifolo. Sorry, I'm getting there. Number 8 is Nisifolo. Nisifolo is 32 years old and lives in Kaneohe, Hawaii, with his beautiful wife, Trista. They have 3 gorgeous kids, Nisifolo Jr., who is 5 years old, and Nisifolo Jr. is here with us this evening, Olivia Lynn, who is 2 years old, and Elijah Joseph, who is 9 months old. They are a wonderful mix of Tonga, India, and Guam. Similar to our mother, Nisifolo is very loving and resilient. Nisi inspires us with his commitment to his faith. At 20 years old, he chose to put aside his life and dedicated 2 years to go on his missionary with the Church of Latter-day Saints to work for God. This was huge for our family, but through Nisifolo, it demonstrated how our parents, despite our differences, that they will always put that aside and fully support the decisions that we make as children. Number 9 is Lavu. He is 30 years old. We call him Lavu, but his real name is actually Russian. It is either Vicious Love or Visha Love or Vicious Love. I don't think the guy knows exactly how to the right way of pronounce his name, but we call him Lavu. Lavu is the ultimate cool uncle. Lavu grew up in Tonga. He was schooled in New Zealand. He plays rugby in Canada, in Spain, in New Zealand, and then now in Australia. I know the guy sounds like he's a little all over the place, but we are encouraged by his ability to adapt into any country, environment, and any environment, and can lift up a crowd whenever he has a few. At 30 years old, he's still a strong rugby player, and although he's yet to crack the national team, I know the Indian national rugby team is awaiting for his arrival. Like our father, Lavu will take over conversations and won't fail a debate. He is loud and he's a talker. He is the youngest brother, and if you get into a banter with him, you must be prepared to get very angry or upset. Number 10 is Olive, known to us as Baby because she is the baby of the family. She is 26 years old. As the baby of the family, she is the favorite daughter and sister and the best auntie to all the grandchildren. We are all very protective of Baby. She is the life of the party and our go-to if we need our parents to do something for us. She is the smartest and the most savviest of us all. She is loving and fun, and she is the life of this family. We had, between being the eldest and Baby being the youngest, there's 19 years in between us. And so over those 19 years, we reflected on the past 70 years of Olivia's life and thought about the 19 years that she had to carry us, 10 kids. We are reminded of the love, the resilience and wisdom she shared with us all. When I think about the journey we had with Mum, I am reminded of Proverbs 3, verse 3 to 4. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart, then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Her unwavering strength, resilience, and boundless love have shaped not only our lives, but the lives of all those fortunate enough to know her. Mum, you are a woman of grace, wisdom, and beauty who continues to inspire us with your strength and warmth. Let us celebrate this milestone birthday in your honor and create new memories that we will cherish for years to come. Esteemed friends and family, welcome to our home. Please enjoy yourselves this evening. Maloa pito.
Mō kātā ki paspasi I mai Jennifer Tupou. Koe whenga mari e koe ni tahine wha whewhalanglangi. Te o kore heni ki a Olive Ramalal ke kātā ki lava mai ke o wau koe ia e keke. Kore atu ki a milenai te Fiefiia. Ke ne kātā ki. Ko whēongo tutu keke Melissa Folau, Stella, Prescott, Sefo Folau, koe mahanga a Olive Marmanlau, kātaki, lava mai. O wau koe ai keke. Mo mau peho mo whamogomoko, whamolemole. Ka hiri peho wau koe ai keke hoko atu ke tau loto. Ke tau mea toko ni.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with
Pege,
me.
Sefo Folau,
Congratulations
mahanga ya
and
Olive,
jubilations.
ya petu aja dia o.
I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Paula he pinga tu posifo. Kau Fiefiia kau kata moia. Ihe Fiefiia. Kono Katoanga. Fiefiia Hokosia. Hono to Fiefiia Olive. Handa ka pitu noa. Ihe ahon.
When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
Malo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Olive and Sephora. Happy long life to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless Olive and Sephora. May the good Lord bless you. Kolele moi alo ofa e mui mui iate koi. Ihe a koto pe. Kolele moi alo ofa e mui mui iate koi. Ihe a koto pe. Takahima. Kolele moi alo ofa e mui iate koi. Ihe a koto pe. Kolele moi alo ofa e mui iate koi. Ihe a koto pe.
Koe la vai a nuku hi o teke.
Tulau, katapa fua e hua fa tua mafai fi ko tamai. Ko ene whakatupu tauhi mo fuaki. Kono pangai o kutama alari ai. Ko whakatapu e ko kapui mo talaki. O ko kole ke hufanga tuai te lia hoki whatongia tu ani. Alo mai. Ke tau hiva mo whawhetai. Ko a usia he fine motu ani, Olive Manilala Vallabh, ai maka maile whakatohi tapu. Ko e tapu aki tau mamao pia hulu atu i kai haamanaki. Ko whakahawe ta hine Princess Kalauni o taloni, pia ne afea ai ki whakamuna, ai ki ta hine ko whatawhehi lapa Tuita i he pei o man mataongo. Ko Fiefiia ai mo ne kai loto Sosefo mo toko hong fulu. Ke to ai keke whalanglangi o Olive, mai tahine Princess Kalauni o taloni, Princess Sinaitakala Tuku'aho. tahine Princess Kalauni. O ko atu e whamalo tua, I ho whahawe, o ke me ite ke mea hiki whamuna o whai. Holo pe mua ho me ata hine, he kua hiva mai e whangaika o pei o marimataongo, ko whaka me ite, pe whaka tulau mai, e whaka hiku matangi me fupua, me fumaka ko wheleunga. Ko e keke e tau mua o e aho, o to e me ki tahine ko whatawhehe o la paha tuita. Ko hono toe hok whatongia te utok tolo atu pe, malo au pito.
Malo au pito ko e kakato ia wau ko ia o e keke, e ko ia e whamalo atu. Lolotonga ko ia ho mau mea toko ni, e hoko atu eni ki he polokalama ai whangamoko puna, ai a tenau whahoko atu haki I whaiva. Ke whamei te atu ma au tahine whawhi whalanglangi I he Fiefiia.
Okay, hangi ko mea kia me lea kia NC ko taimini te tau hoko atu ke whangi whai waka ko Fiefiia I be o aho whahoko te pia e whanga mo puna puko ia Olive pia mo sefo
Te niti koe e tu ara whawhei, whaikawa. Te pere te sir tēnu ata peki o no tupatu. Holopengo ilo tahi ne tua te wharangangi I ha mō meniti si pe me heni heni ai whanga mō puna ki whahoka te ngahi whaiwa tāla ko ia ai au ge siwa ko I TikTok ki te hepo ki tau olunga a tā peke mō tu I tu ki olunga ke mō ki whao whao
Todo para América. Ok, isso é bom. Folau tau mawa mo to ko ni. Mahanga orbe. Mau ta ka ro pe ni he ba fu tu pe ni. Hiki atu o no muri ka tau Fiefiia tau ka kata haya.
ki o runga ki whao hiri o mau mea toko ni.
Malo, lo toma kau tari ko ya ki talunga ko ya magreta. Koraka magreta kan kataki majimuan.
Margaret Faletau, koe kaunanga birthday ia. Makeleta Faletau. Kaunanga birthday ia pe koe mokopuna ia. Koe kaunanga tauolunga ia pe koe mokopuna ia Oliver Ramalau.
Magreta.
All the way from Australia.
Makereta, Faletau, kata makereta ki olu, ki mua. Kokore atu. Kore mai makereta ke ua mo atu hatu la fare. Kana mo talu ke fangi princesi. Uluaki ke ko menite pe ia. E ua. Ke ospe menite ua ko ia foki ma makereta o taulunga pa butoki pakapare mo tu la fare. Malo. Hu ia te no pare mai tain fa palangi. Makereta Faletau mei. Australia.
Koia from Australia. Panga Australia ki ai Margaret eh.
Korek mo katako papasi maya Magreta Faletau.
Toi whamanato te whamrebore ke whahatu la whare. Toi whamanata to ke whahatu la whare. Kātaki. Te koha whakapare. Tok whakahoko I whakapare I he tātu o ua. Malo.
Peke hike ula ki tāro ngai e whakamopu na Oribe, Margareta Wharetau. Ulaki taurunga ia. Onge koe mea ni lawe kia ia MC. Kai ngofua ai kapare. I kai lawa ke mea ni rei kia ai pāwhe langlangi koe ia oe aho. Prinsesi Sinaitakala. Hiriga pe e toki koe tātu hou atu. Pe atarewa. Ke pai ai ngai kapare pe a koe ula pare.
atu mo pasmasi maya magreta. Talunga hako ni poni.
Talunga raki yung magreta whare tau. A koe taha whakamupuna kaya oribe, pea mo sefo.
Pagutama e itai, o Fiefiia lala mo keiki.
O Fiefiia lahi eni o lala mo keiki. Te teo mai ke hoko ai o Fiefiia whikaua. Kātaki. Fifita.
Ko kore ni e Fifita. Talo ne tu holo ne nai he. Mo mea mai pe ko ni whawawe I haka no teunga. Ma te pe ia he tālunga. Ke mea mai a nanas. Mata lava pe e ita. Whahako fui tālunga ko ni. Talo ne tu hona ne nai mo ne tamai. Nani alu mo ai ku fasi. Alu ai ku tālunga. Nga pe he kawasleria aia. Kuna tolu pe. Ko manu mataongo o pei la valere idea ita te upe ko he kon katari mai pe kai ngai
Whakatapu tahine Princessi Sinaitakala, the behege Honourable Frederica. Ko Fiefiia na Manilala Vallabh si loto peke whakahoko atu aniki whakalaulau noa ke whaituuna. Koe ki whine motua koe ni, koe ki whine motua peo Frederica. Tahine Princessi, koe whakaholo ilo pe ke whaituuna. Malo.
malo
Pako kole pe ke tuku pe whainga maalia ke o ni ke whakahoka te whakalaulau noa a Fifita si ke a Freddy. Malo.
Fifita Ramala me he pe o manu mataongo.
ko pe ia te mai fasi ko e hingoa fasi ko hei lala
Whaotusia.
ko hei lala whakaotsia ko hoafe mai pe ko I Anana ni ko fu ko sio mai pe ko fu hei lala ia a mohi aki e ngai tau malo kore atu ulak talunga o mo fa pare pe tulafa
Mo fua pe whakapare ia.
io awa ideva
Alo au hai leva.
hey
Ua koe ita.
Fiefiia
ko me ula we ga nani au pe he pe ai toki a ko I to ai o vine ia la la
Kei hoko te te polokalama sa mga mawapuna. Pakamalo ato Fiefiia Ramalal.
ia ko ita si ia
Whakatulo at pe tahine whaafe whalang-langi. Koe hoko atu eni ki he mokopuna hono hoko. Aia koe
Kore atu buka tako pasi mai aita. Tahine man matango. Malo ita.
malo nani. Koe hoko atu eni ki he taulunga koe ang hono hoko. Aia ko tangoi o ne hoko tupou. Koe mokopuna pe eni a Oliver Ramalal. Ki mua pe whahoko e ne whameite, ne loto pe ke whaaki ai ne pare ki he kaunanga birthday o e aho, Oliver Ramalal. Ka taki upaspasi i mai, ko tangoi whoki pe ame i Samoa.
Taki ki mua tiara. Koe wha mole atu tahine. Koe wha me ite koe mei haa moa. Nā kai fo ke si whakaate I ki mau tolu ia mei tonga rere kā ke mau o mā kau he polo kalana. Ka aku hange pe koe lau. Ko haapai veu ia, o ku tai mu a pe he mea kotoa pe. Pe ka pau e ri aki ki mau tolu e orive katak orive mau kei ofa me ki mau tolu ia koe. Pe pehe a whakapotunga e pōni. Koe ki mea o whana a orive, tuku pehe na kau tolu ata nai. Koe ki whakaha moa eni, na e ako I peia me whanga esi. Pea koe mea kusai pa whanga esi, koe lahi koe koe e kau paparangi me kau muri, ko mau ala paka muri ai pe. O patu!
Whakawhetai lava.
E koe tahaya e whakamopuna Olive mei haamoa. Kei toa lahi mati e whakamopuna toa lahi o viti. Hame Paula, Katarina to. Kau ngah Fiefiia, ini Hawaii.
Koe lava lere ia talunga e kau hamoa. O kai ki polo kalama heni ku. Whanawhana mai kau whangapokopuna pa mo whanau. Ka ki polo kalama o pehe. Ko koe peku ke ta uono. Hiva. Me ia o fitu noa e tau whohou. O kai ki pare makehe me heni. Fuaki ai orive ke tō taha kotoa pe o ku ono hiva. Ka kore ka orive. Boka taka, papasiri ma orive ku fu lahe ne fu. Pare ka toa kok pa ko hi ponu.
Nani, ai papasio mai motua na puri o te ke maraksa apatu. Kofe motua. Toka ngai. Pongpongi, vai maraksa apati a pongpong. Oh my God, a pongpong yan! At magi polakama ko ni fa more. Wai polakama i poni, e me ke la swan. Wai polakama ko me a ofa. Ke kauta o no hiva fitunoa ki he te au. Te Moimoi te watu mo sila pa anga fitu noa. Pau ke ko tota fai kamau kon nani. Ko e pete ke hau ke mata I fitu noa ke ato pa anga fitu noa. Ka ko ki mu ai mai whangamari ko ni ke sirea te whangi mo puna na Fiefiia page ko fe o mo programa rea ke na o mohe. Ka toko hoka te tau whakamuna. Ita Koe page. Hui mai e whanau ke eke naurea ka nau o mohe ka tokhoka te et whaiva.
Hello, Mom.
Teke he koe whanau ni whamapuna ui orive. Kea mai ke whanau rea ka nau lawa ni tō mālolo.
To end off the grandchildren's part of this function, each of the grandkids have something to say to Mom for her birthday. We're going to start with Moimoi. Happy birthday, Mama. On behalf of my three brothers, Lipoy, Tepita and Tai, who couldn't make it here today, they want to congratulate you on an amazing 70 years. Them, as well as myself, feel so blessed to have you in our lives. You've taught us so many valuable lessons, and we ask God that He will protect you through your happiness and your struggles. They send their love from New Zealand, and we love you so much.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and happy birthday, Mama. Hi, I live here in Tonga. I just wanted to say happy birthday, Mama. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Have a good day. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. And from SJ. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Lastly, Esther. Esther, you know.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday. I love you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends and family. Thank you for joining me as we celebrate this joyous milestone. My grandmother, Manilala Vallabh's 70th birthday.
My name is Paige. I'm the oldest grandchild of the birthday girl Olive and Joseph Ramanlau. On behalf of the 17 grandchildren, I want to acknowledge our grandmother's special occasion. When I think of you, Mum, this verse comes to mind. In the book of Proverbs, chapter 17, verse 6, it says, "Grandchildren are the pride and joy of old age, and children take pride in their parents." These words resonate deeply with us today as we reflect on the significant moment. My grandmother, like so many of you here, finds pride and joy in her grandkids. From the moment we've entered her life, we've become the lights of her world, bringing her immense happiness and fulfillment. And in return, she has showered us with boundless love, affection, and guiding us with wisdom, grace, and tradition. But beyond her love, my grandmother is a great source of pride of her 10 children. They look upon her with admiration and respect, grateful for the value she has instilled in them and the unwavering support that her and Papa have shown them throughout their years. Growing up, I was always amazed with my grandmother's ability to make everything seem so effortless. Whether that be cooking a delicious meal, gardening with green fingers, or creating beautiful pieces of clothing with her sewing machine. You name it, and this lady will excel in whatever her mind and heart is up to. But what truly inspires me is Mum's love for her family. Her love has always been unmatched. My grandparents are the definition of unconditional love. No matter what they face, their love has always carried them through the toughest times. And that love has only strengthened through their grandchildren. As their grandkids, we all know we only have to say one word and they will both go to the ends of the earth to make us happy. To say we are blessed is truly an understatement. 70 years of love, laughter, and wisdom. What an incredible journey has been. As we look around, the atmosphere is filled with warmth of the cherished memories and the love of those who hold her dear. It is a beautiful reminder of the impact she has had on our lives. Mom, you are the heartbeat of our family. Your gentle spirit, your unwavering love, and your endless wisdom have shaped us in ways we cannot begin to express. From the stories you have shared to the lessons that you have taught us, you have left a mark in our hearts. And you and Papa have proved that time and time again, you will always support us no matter what. You may have noticed that I refer to my grandmother as Mom. And for those who don't know, but my grandparents have raised my younger brother, Ramesh, who's unable to be here today, and I. And whenever they would tafulu'i us, which is quite often, or we would have a deep conversation, they will always end our heart-to-heart session by saying, "Paige, Mesh, ko mamaui, ko mauape." And today, I stand in front of you, Mom, and I proudly say, on behalf of my brother and I, Mom, Papa, ko maui a Ramesh, moau, ko mauape. We love you so much. We wish you a happy birthday, Mom, and a happy anniversary, Mama and Papa, to the best grandparents anyone can ask for. Malo pito o fatu.
Malo page. Kolet ka husband hamo ataki fo ilea ka tau. Ka aro whanau, ka hauka te tau whakamuna. Ospere a husband pa whaere tau ki porokanga whak me auwha. Tamai e cheni whae, te ke whae tare a ko tang, o koe ki upota here atu peke hao e motua kata ki orea. Kai toa nga I na whae nge te kekere na whae kua puri ai a kau te ato I kumi.
Pamalo atu pe ke hufanga penga I tap ko fai. Pamalo atu hufanga atu. Malo mo hangi prinsesi mo e kiferi hamo ke hengi he pagalanglangi ai e fiafi koengi ko e fiafi na e palane pe a fai pe lau pe hangi ko lau nei hangi pe hamuna ko ahoni ko hoko pe ko ahoni ko olive ko wa o tau fitunoa pe ko tau fitunoa foki he Tongatapu ko tau whakato ko tau whakato tapu ia ai tau fitunoa ko ia olive ko Fiefiia au pito pe whakahokat ka koe wai lau a Paula o pehe I ran the good race and I fought a good fight, but I still kept the faith. Olive, I don't know what to say. The faith you had on me, regardless of what the public say. Let me tell you, Olive, you are the only one rose in my garden. That's why it's hard for me to say it in public, but today, after 46 years of life, I have to say to you, you're still the only rose in my garden. There is a lot of mango and coconut. That rose is still there. So I wanted to make sure that the public knows that it's only one rose, Mom. And Mom, thank you. And hange koe lau, Mom. I don't know why you were born today like that, but I hopefully you were brought up by a very, very good family. And I think I take credit for the upbringing you from your late father, Tevita and Luisa, and I would like to acknowledge themselves as they did it. And lastly, my mom taught you a lot. And you know what my mom taught you? Never give up. Thank you, Mom. And of this, of what you've given me, the 10 children I have, are they here? 9 of them. And I thank you for them also, to have you all here, these 9 children. When I see you this morning all sitting around, and I say to myself, what a wonderful world, eh? What a wonderful world. Thank you, Oliver, and thank you, Your Highnesses, for allowing us to do this concert in front of your present and also the young princess here. Ita, are you taking over from Papa next week? Thank you. Love you all.
Mr. Joseph Lorana. Koe malo kulava. Ka whae maki whakamuna. He?
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I just got told to do a toast. Before I do a toast, I like to say a quote, and the quote goes like this: life isn't an amount of breath that you take, it's the moments that take your breath away. And today, Mom, It's definitely one of those moments. O Fatu, kia Olive Manilala Vallabh. Malo.
Malo. Kona kua lawa e Fiefiia e whaidi. Uhiki nga tahine. Kai whao se uki programa patu hawe alfa. Nani? Ko ia pe ku tau no hiva fituno whai ki olunga kataki mea mai ki heni ke ata mo mea alfa ko whakamalo pe ho mo lava mai he aho ni. Malo.
Ko koe pe te ke hau o kai ke ono hiva. O siapa ilo ipe ka ono hiva. Ko ia ko me ia ko no no.
Sio pe koe nani ke ulu.
Ya. Kata ko papasi mai ka ono hiva ka toa e. Semua kau Fiefiia ni. Ameria, malo. Tahu fian mos kakak?
Itu niman.
Tongatapu.
Nima, tahu fitu nima na mos kakak. Kau lihat mau kata kau papasi ma mos kakak? Kau kei mata. Kataki, papasi ma BBN ako do. Tahu fian BBN? 75. Kau fae ni tamago ko takhare all breaki. Kau lihat tu, kata kau papasi mai. Sana tupong tafihan sana. Oh, tahu balung noa. Korea tu ko kata ko patasi mai, kalau ko tahalai tahai. Malo apita sana. Tahu sa tafihan sa mo ta. Tahu fitu valo no tahu sa. Uhena kalau diwalo. Tafihan ni uhena.
Ni manoai.
Tapi kesi koi. Tapi Olive. Malo apita uhena. Man, how old are you?
Tahaono.
Malo abito man. Nylon, kau tahu fihan kata?
69.
Tahu no hivanya. Nylon kay mo sone. Kau nylonin kay mo uipe.
Taono hiva koe ni nima.
Poringa. Tahu fihan? Poringa. Tahu no hiva poringa. Kau dah tahu pasasi ma poringa kau kawin dia kau tukang air lala kato panau. Ibe ikutin kau. Tahu fihan ibe? Tahu no ana ibe. Mea kau toko lah kau fihan. Kau tahu fihan?
Tahaon.
Kau kau jadi kau tahu tahaon no kau. Mana ya? Kau tahu fihan?
Tahaon.
Tahu fitu no aja. Mahal. Kita kau tahu fihan. Tunggu lagi loi. Oh tiga loi mai kau cuat pekak kau minta tahu upi tahu. Kau iya. Ono hiva pe. Palau. Kau tahu kau ni kataki. Kau ose sila mo nga to felak morive. Paputu ma mo mohi ko ang toki nga bay e mo. Yala. Kau tahu tofa. Jadi mana sila kau bangke. Balong. Lavai bok pare. Korek halafun. Tayo mga kifefas. Korek mo kay kau Fiefiia ko na natin na sila mo famay. Mo kyo may kyo famay dia ke biya matahine. Mo kay nga wape.
Pas pasi may kau tahu tahaono.
Malo. Tama fai fasue. Kata papa. Malo.
มารักษาปัญญาของอีพงเจ็บตัวตั้งกาตากิจะไม่ปาเต้เด็กไปเล่าปากไฟตูบาลาพงพงปากกูเป้าไฟมารักษาปัญญาพงพงโมใจเห็นกาตาเปียพงพงเจ็บตัวมันออกกายรักษาปัญญากาตาไม่ไฟลูกกายโอเคเอาฟัด
Malo riven.
Rồi cậu ta hào nô, bao ngày pasti.
Ako pena mau ako pare iponi, kore ke mula baba kilo. Kafa me jepe. Malo. Malo tupo kami. Kay ilang apet kay talo nga tupo. Hey.
Tau MC ke poni o nani mano dai pai ho batano banai pe ano tako sai o nalia tau re pon a fe fi pe ba ka de ihe hawani ihe kai pamili ke pe ho ki ke tau kai ga india heni ka umuri Have a family pema, family kona rarita. Kako e family ne manala ito hene. Ado ko Fiefiia ito. Tuhai tai Fiefiia. Tak buat Tongatapu ko ni. Kaya urak mo ko tak mo.
Korea ni ke whanau e tako hiwa. O se koe tālu mako ni Cosa ngai mo minis men. Ko ra tu boka ta ke o pasasi mai ngai fa e. Ko e tau ono hiva fitu noa valu noa ono noa alu ai ge ono. Nau ke lava pe ta longa. Teu mai whanau e toko hiva, whanau a orive pa mosefo, te nau whahoko ki foi polokalama i he poni ko e TikTok. Whanau e toko hiva. TikTok. So a tae mai ki foi whasi hena ka e tau tari ke a o mai whanau. Lavu nisi Ameria Tangoi te teu mai fasi Manilala oh toko Manilala ni was mau ya Baby Lavu okay, kata mo Tahine princess pati ke mea mai pe koe whanau kotoa en. Koe taini mi foki o ku lahe whakalakalaka. Koe mea koe popi, wai mea koe wolosi, o koe mea oreva. O koe ngahi talunga keke, pa koe whiemau e orive, ke nau ki TikTok ka pa koe haa koe pia koe ia. Ko whanau kotoa en, maro.
Teke, koe whanau e nau whahako atu ai TikTok.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungishilana Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungishilana Yahuwele alikulana buso wami aukulana ilondoloze zuhambe nami Yahuwele alikulana buso wami aukulana ilondoloze zuhambe nami
Fiefiia te wakatu Fiefiia whakataha ai tamai pia koe whaku whae pia moe whanau. ke le lava tu ai mo puna nai ya ku nau ko ke na to malo he momento ni ko tamai pe mo fa pe mo fa nau pe ho he to ma ko kau kafe ke pon ke ko la ke pon la ve mai family pe ma ko ya na tan sup mo family ke ho Richard Grandma pe mo siesi pe mo family kau nga Fiefiia i he pon makaya tu soal Manilala ka Fiefiia sio Fiefiia fakataha ai tamai fae pea oi whanau
Hoi koto kainga, kata ko kosafi mai, ko family kotoa. Pamalo at kasoa ni monunia.
Fiefiia wakati hina nunia ko mea kamafana te wakati kwa katoni ai tamai mo fae pe pe whanau
Kato katoa. Tahine princess magalo ko orive uta ki por kalama na to ata ki talu TJ, kore mai tahine. Tai mai fasi koe Paitau River of Babylon. He ko taimi koe I he taimi koe fit ngo full tupu mo bea ko mau taimi mau tolu. Ko ten kita hafua ungai fasi.
Whakatapatu ki he e ki tā hamai. Whakatapatu ki he Princess Kalauni, Princess Sinaitakala Tuku'aho. Whakatapatu ki a Honourable Frederica, Tuita. Whakatapatu ki a Tupoa me. Whakatapatu ki he Pātele Loni. Pea whakamalo atu ki a Mautolu Kotoa. Hoeiki, kainga, whaamiri me maheni. E moihene a honi ke tau whakawhiewhiai. Tapu pe me hoeiki ka tukumaka te au. A whangamari e ki u whakahoka haki lea whakaeke ke whakahikihiki a keu whae. Ke tau whakawhiewhiai. Ai tāhine birthday ko tāhine ko Manilala Vallabh. Tau kore atu ke mo paspasi mai tāhine birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and to anyone that's a non-Tongan speaker, please, I won't be offended if you guys are on your phone, having internal chats while I'm doing my speech, because my speech will be in Tongan. So please, by all means, start your daydreaming right now. Ne tuku mai whangamari e koe ni ka te au ki whakahokoha ki lea whakamalo. Kai ki mua ku whakahoko ki lea whakamalo, te kore ki u whahoka ki lea manatu meri e ke whae. Ko whae, ko whiwhine hangalelei, ko whiwhine ofa. Pakahange ko mea mai koa pātele ne nai he tau misa, ko whiwhine kātaki lahi au pito. Ko whiwhine unanga whamooni mai e lea koe ni kia mautolu whanau, moko puna, mautolu hou eiki, me kainga. O hange o rive whaka mooni e lea koe ni kia tau tolu kotoa, pako rea au pehen. Ko au, ko ofa ia koe. Hoik ma kainga ne mo mea mai pene mo lava mai ke ta wono noa o rive. Koe whim, pako e kala he aho koe ia koe lanu mata. O mo mea mai pako mo lava mai a honi ke tau fit noa. Koe whim, pako e lanu he aho koe ni koe lanu mata. Pana o eke enga, ko whiwhiri pau eke enga whae, Ko hai uhinga ne fumana ko ke lanu mata. Pako ne tali na pehen. Waki pe ne pe mai lala hafo eke kau noa. Pako ne tali na pehen. Lala, green is life. Green is love. And is why I love green. No mei kukolo e uhinga lan mata kau pehe ke tuku. Na sita fulu ia he mata kakai. Ka wai pe mo onia olive e hine anga whaka uhinga i lan mata. He koe whaka uhinga i koe olive lan mata, koe mea au kune nofu aki hine mo ui. Hoik moi kainga, tuk mai whanga maari e koe ni kau keu whakahoka. Whakafofonga ta sosefo, mautolu whanau, moi mokopuna. I he ku whakamalo honga i atu ka mautolu kotoa. E mo tuku taimi, ke mo mea mai, lava mai he ahoni, ke tau Fiefiia, whakataha mo mautolu whamiri, pe mo orive pe, e Hokosia ne tau whitu noa. O mau whakawheta i honga i atu ka mautolu kotoa. Poko ofa pe, te mau taktaha mau ha halanga malu, mo lelei ke mau taktaha api. Pako ofa pe e mau tapaki kia mautolu, pe mo mautolu pe i he eiki. Malo apito, o ku mau ofa lahiat ka mautolu kotoa, tua ofa tu. Pako taimini te uklosa ke DJ, ko e pokama taimini hanga lau ka orive, ko tau have fun, tau party, pa mo manatu i pe a halanga ki api ke malo. Malo.
Malo pitolala. Ko pai tau rivai. Mana ku ke taimi asisi o feitu ko ia. Si wavalu hivataha. By the rivers of Babylon. Here we sit down. Yeah, 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 we will. Yo, yo, yo. We remember Zion. Name your mouth. By the rivers of Babylon. Here we sit down. Yeah, yeah, we will. When we remember Zion.
Fogot pe fogi ai Katoanga Fiefiia ko ia manatu. Tau ko ia a orive. Ramanga mala ki ha honi. Ani ka tau ne o mahoko e ko halahi e nai lala. Ai rea pamalo na te mau ka kai hobe to pa tau kon ata he mo tau mana mo tai pe tau pewa to ko tau to sio pe e mo tau ki sio ge Fiefiia to ta ko e family pe mana ko tau ko lo ko nau enjoy ai po ko e tota ko to pe ku nau ngai ai dancing floor i he boni mai ngai nau ye kaunga Fiefiia pe mo orive Hokosia si ono tau hiwa fuku e bon hata pe mo no manga sepo la vai pe mon homanato e anniversary pe mo sepo mandalaka ko tau i fa ono e na mari
DJ.
mau ngai hui ke mura hene vilo takai holo taosi ia kina tau na whaafi mai ihe poni pia kimo ne lawa bat pia te mau tapu takau atu ihe poni Green cross of home. Di questi mai cave fine, qui fassi coi a coi. Green cross of home. Tau o don i ko nga o si ko ta programa lagi ai ko kau frafe ni na usi lava mai boni ko tau tatakai fra os ni ya te mau tatau at
touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of golden lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake
Tansuk Bremana. Cái quê Australia về tàu Katoanga Fiefiia cái poni. Cái phóc cái phải ta nha. Cái tôi kêu Hokosia. Katoanga cái tay gue đi.
On and on we'll walk at daybreak. Again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree.
Para kita ko sefu Manilala na biar mo tantu ko itau programa ke poni. Nga te mau tatau mo tau ko ito hok watu ai programa. Ini lama katai tahu programa ki poni ya katawange ni mo maaf ya ngai atai he poni nga ke tahu tai ni wo lama ngai programa ke hapa ti ni ke ngai Fiefiia dia nga ka mau tatau mau tu ya me Anana me kita me heita pa kita ki mai mo abi no fa se Manilala Vallabh me Anana e ho ngai pe mau kau pai patunge poni ke kau pai ta Fiefiia paia ke ho ka pita Tongatapu ko wepi rea chinia ke ho ka mesake ko ko te puipua ya te ho ka te au chanta na to kata watu mumia